What's up, guys? Welcome back to Show Me Vegas and welcome to Encore Las Vegas.
Alright guys, so let's go ahead and take a tour of this Encore Strip View King Suite. So let's first come here. This room is amazing. So we're going to come in through the front door and the first thing you're going to see is your bedroom. It's a nice king bed. It has a wall of mirrors here. And then it also has a TV that actually swivels. We'll show you that here in just a second. And then over to the other side, we've got this beautiful piece of furniture, this dresser here, this cabinet. Of course, have your very overpriced snacks. Wow, gummy butterflies.
Gummy butterflies?
Wow,
Yeah, those
okay.
don't come with the room.
We also have a intimacy kit.
Hey, put it down. It's weight sensitive.
Oh, and then a rest and revive kit. So,
by the way, these two bottles right here don't come with the room.
Yeah,
we brought
sorry.
those in.
And then inside the cabinet, let's open that. Looks like we got just a couple shelves. I'm assuming this is where the snacks maybe used to be.
Yeah.
And then, of course, we have your overpriced
Mini bar.
Nice. Guys, it's got a good selection though.
I bet those things are like, I would say a beer's like $4. What do you think?
Yeah, yeah. And then we're gonna come through here and then you've got a nice desk with two swivel chairs. Every room comes with an Alexa.
You were checking to see if she was going to respond to you. Yeah.
So anyway, that is something that is really cool too. You know, for whatever you need. You ask questions, play music, whatever you want.
Alexa, turn on all the lights. Alexa, open the drapes. Hey, let's check out the view.
But the most wonderful thing is this view, guys. Look at this. And then we have the swivel TV. It's as easy as that, which is really nice. Have you ever seen a bigger mirror in a hotel room? I mean, if you are wanting to look good, you can check yourself out in every angle. Over here we've got the closet. And then we have the dresser drawer cabinet here, 3 separate drawers. We have your room safe as well in the closet.
Let's go check out the bathroom.
Yeah, let's check out the bathroom. It's beautiful.
Brace yourself.
Brace yourself. You have this nice standalone shower, and guys, something I noticed, I'm looking from the wrong side, something that I noticed is it has a separate wash. How cool is that?
That's very cool.
Something that you just don't see very often in a hotel room.
By the way,
Yeah.
very, very, very cool.
And for people who love to have a bathtub, there is a separate soaking tub here, and it's super deep. Look at this. Look at this. I'm a tall girl. Just sink down in. How does it look? All right, then over here we have your double sink vanity with, again, just the beautiful lights. You've got a chair for your actual vanity with a mirror, and then you also have a built-in TV over here. separate
Of course,
water
you've got
closet.
the poop room, right? Everybody needs the poop
water
room.
closet, aka poop room.
There's your remote for the bathroom TV, the amenities.
And you have a scale down here in case you're really wanting to weigh yourself. I sure don't.
In case you want to find out just how much you weigh today or tomorrow.
We don't.
Very nice. What a room. So that was our experience at the Wynn in Encore, Las Vegas. Do I even need to ask, what did you think?
Guys, this is the best, by far the best room I've ever stayed in Las Vegas.
The experience overall was just absolutely phenomenal. Service, food, environment, everything is on point here. It was everything that it's been billed to be. If you get the chance to stay here, absolutely do it. Don't even hesitate.
Yeah, I agree.
So anyway, if you guys like this video, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Also check us out on Facebook. There's a lot more to do and see out there. There's a lot more to do and see for us, so we're gonna keep at it. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you next time.